In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Syria, a land known in Islamic tradition as Ash-Sham, a region blessed, honored, and deeply rooted in the history of Islam. But why does Syria hold such a special place in our faith? Today, we explore the importance of Syria in Islam through the Qur'an, the sayings of the Prophet, and Islamic history. Ash-Sham is not limited to modern-day Syria alone. Historically, it includes Palestine, Jordan, Lebanon, and parts of southern Turkey. However, Syria has always stood at the heart of this blessed land. Allah refers to this region in the Quran as a land of blessing. Scholars explain that this blessed land refers to the region of Ash-Sham, including Syria. Syria is one of the oldest continuously inhabited regions in the world. Cities like Damascus are among the most ancient cities known to mankind. But beyond history, Syria holds deep spiritual significance. Many prophets of Allah lived, preached, or passed through this land. Among them, prophets Ibrahim, Lut, Daud, Sulaiman, Zachariah, Yahya, and Prophet Isa. This makes Syria a land filled with the legacy of prophethood. The Prophet Muhammad spoke highly about Ash-Sham in many authentic Hadith. He said, "Blessings are in Ash-Sham." And in another narration, "When the people of Ash-Sham become corrupt, there will be no good in you." These words highlight the central role Syria plays in the strength and condition of the Muslim Ummah. One of the most significant landmarks in Syria is the Umayyad Mosque in Damascus. It is believed that Prophet Yahya is buried there. It is also linked to one of the major signs of the Day of Judgment. The Prophet told us that Prophet Isa will descend near a white minaret in the eastern part of Damascus. This makes Syria not only important in our past, but also in our future. Syria is also connected to the events of the end times. The Prophet mentioned that believers will gather in Ash-Sham. It will be a place of safety, faith, and resilience. In a hadith, he advised, "If corruption appears in the land, go to Ash-Sham." This shows the spiritual strength and protection associated with this region. After the Prophet, Syria became a center of Islamic civilization. During the Caliphate of Umar ibn al-Khattab, Syria was conquered peacefully and became a major hub for knowledge, governance, and culture. Later, under the Umayyad Caliphate, Damascus became the capital of the Muslim world. From here, Islam spread far and wide, reaching Africa, Asia, and even parts of Europe. But today, when we think of Syria, we are reminded of hardship, struggle, and pain. Years of conflict have affected millions of lives. As Muslims, we are taught not to forget our brothers and sisters. The Prophet said, "The believers, in their mutual love and compassion, are like one body. When one part suffers, the entire body feels the pain." So, what is our role? We may not be there physically, but we can make sincere dua for them, support through charity, raise awareness, stay connected to their struggles, and most importantly, understand their significance in our deen. Syria is not just a place on the map. It is a land blessed by Allah, a land of prophets, a land connected to our past, present, and future. Understanding its importance strengthens our connection to Islam and reminds us of our unity as one Ummah. May Allah bring peace, justice, and relief to the people of Syria. Ameen. Subscribe for more Islamic content.